determining the effect of afterglows in N-gas mixtures for sterilization. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Chapter 25 compiles and summarizes the main findings of our earlier works investigating the correlations between the density of active species of N and NO afterglows and the characteristics of different treated surfaces for the sterilization of bacteria. The sterilizing properties of cold plasmas have been demonstrated in the last decades and have raised a wide interest. The employ of N-microwave afterglows provide a mild platform for the sterilization of thermosensitive and delicate objects, and have allowed the transfer of this technology to the industry by the development of an industrial reactor. It is the aim of this work to compile and summarize the most relevant findings regarding this topic and provide the reader of the most suitable conditions for sterilization of contaminated material, and the outreach of this technique. In particular, the sterilization of E. coli bacteria by N-microwave flowing afterglows was obtained at 5 torr, 1 SLPM, 100 W in a treatment time of 40 minutes by heating the bacteria holder at 60 C, and following this promising result, an industrial reactor, Plasmalyse, of 100 liters built by the Satelec company has allowed the sterilization of Stearo spores in 30 minutes at 80 C with N at 4 torr, 1 SLPM, 300 watts. Testing a more complex configuration, the transmission of N atoms through hollow tubes, interesting the sterilization of endoscopes, was obtained in polyamide tubes of INT.dia. 1.5 mm and 50 cm length, by pulsing the plasma gas, pulse 1s, period 2s, pressure 0.9 to 2.3 torr, Q is equal to 1 SLPM and 200 watts, T is equal to 3.5%. When increasing the INT.dia.to 3 mm and the length to 80 cm, the transmission of N atoms was T is equal to 8.5% in the continuous discharge, 4 torr in the 5-liter reactor, 1 SLPM and 150 watts. It is deduced a destruction probability of the N atoms on the tube wall, gamma is equal to 1.610 superscript 3. With stainless tubes of INT.dia, 1.5 mm and length 6.5 cm, it was obtained T is equal to 1.3% and gamma is equal to 1.610 superscript 2. Besides, in the development of conditioning materials for the sterilization process, the N-atom transmission was tested through different membranes for sterilization pouches, whereas in polypropylene once it was measured to be T is equal to 0.65 at 0.1 SLPM. In all, the investigations undertaken have allowed to advance the field of plasma sterilization of sensitive materials forward, by obtaining fundamental knowledge on the processes taking place in the N afterglow, upscaling of the processes for industrial applications, and work on packaging materials for sterilization or complex devices such as endoscopes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.